The start of World War II brought big changes to kitchens across the world. Before the war, food was plenty, but with the war came shortages. Many foods were sent overseas to feed the troops. This left less food for those that they'd learned to be resourceful with limited ingredients. Each person received a ration book with coupons. These coupons limited how much of certain foods people could buy. Sugar, butter, meat, and canned goods were all rationed. Rationing ensured that everyone had a fair share. It also encouraged people to avoid waste. With rationing, people got creative in the kitchen. They found ways to make the most of limited ingredients. Vegetables became incredibly important. Victory gardens sprouted up with families growing their own produce. Housewives became experts at substitutions. They used powdered eggs when fresh eggs were scarce. Honey or syrup often replaced sugar in baking. Despite challenges, people still enjoyed delicious meals. Recipes were adapted to use available ingredients. One popular dish was Lord Woolton pie, a vegetable pie named after the Minister of Food. Another wartime favorite was spam fritters, using the canned meat that was readily available. These recipes weren't just about survival. They were a testament to the resilience of people during wartime.